Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel dedicated to thoughtful, unbiased reviews to help you make smart purchasing decisions. In this video, we're examining the Anker Laptop Power Bank 25,000 mAh, a portable charger designed for laptops, smartphones, and multiple USB-C devices. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a remote worker, or someone who just depends on power on the go, this is a device worth understanding before you buy. The purchase link is in the description below for easy reference. This power bank isn't just another battery pack. It's built for those who need high-capacity, multi-device charging, and it combines portability with advanced technology. It's trusted by many 5-star reviewers for its reliability, design, and performance. Reason number 1. Triple 1000 watts USB-C ports for multi-device charging. The standout feature of this power bank is its 1000 watts USB-C ports. That's enough power to charge multiple laptops, tablets, or phones at once. For professionals who work remotely or juggle devices, this means you can power a MacBook Pro, iPhone, and tablet simultaneously without worrying about outlets or slow charging. The 1000 watts output ensures fast, stable delivery even for power-hungry devices. Reason number 2. Massive 25,000 mAh capacity for long-haul power. With 25,000 mAh, this power bank is designed to cover extended trips. You can go days without access to a wall outlet and still keep your devices running. It recharges remarkably quickly, reaching 30% in just 22 minutes, which is a significant convenience when time is limited. Importantly, it adheres to the 1,000 watt airline restriction, making it flight-approved for carry-on travel. Reason number 3. Built-in retractable cables for convenience. The Anker power bank comes with dual built-in USB-C cables, including one extendable to 2.3 feet and another compact 0.98-foot cable. These cables are exceptionally durable, rated for over 20,000 retractions or bends, so they're reliable for daily travel or outdoor use. It eliminates the need to carry extra cords, keeping your setup clean and hassle-free. Reason number 4. Ability to charge 4 devices at once. Beyond the built-in cables, there's a USB-A port and an additional USB-C port, allowing you to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. This is particularly useful for families, small work groups, or anyone managing multiple gadgets, providing flexibility whether at home, in transit, or during outdoor activities. Reason number 5. Compact, travel-friendly design. Despite the high capacity, the design remains remarkably compact and portable. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction, along with the dual-purpose carrying strap integrated into one of the cables, makes it ideal for travel or daily commuting. You don't have to compromise portability for performance. Reason number 6. Reliable ownership experience and warranty. Anker includes an 18-month warranty and attentive customer support with every unit. Along with a protective pouch and user manual, this ensures peace of mind for long-term ownership. You're not just buying a charger, you're investing in a durable, service-backed device that consistently performs. Reason number 7. Broad device compatibility. This power bank isn't limited to laptops or phones. It supports iPhone 16 and 17 series, MacBook models, Samsung devices, and more. That versatility makes it a practical choice for households or professionals with diverse tech setups. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this adaptability adds real-world convenience. Reason number 8. Safety and efficiency features. Anker's engineering prioritizes safety, incorporating overcharge protection, short-circuit prevention, and temperature control. These features ensure your devices are not just charged quickly, but also safely, preserving battery health over time. Final verdict. Overall, the Anker 25,000 mAh laptop power bank strikes a balance between capacity, speed, and portability. Its multi-device charging capabilities, built-in cables, and airline-friendly design make it exceptionally convenient for travelers, remote workers, and tech-savvy users. It is worth noting that while this power bank is larger than typical phone chargers, the trade-off is extended, reliable power for multiple devices. For anyone needing frequent, high output charging without relying on wall outlets, it stands out in its category. This is a device designed for practicality, durability, and peace of mind, qualities that make it a strong investment for long-term use. If you value a power bank that can handle laptops, phones, and tablets simultaneously while staying portable and travel-friendly, this Anker model is a solid choice. Take a moment to consider your devices, charging needs, and travel habits, then decide with confidence. The purchase link is in the description below for your convenience.